If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The DYNAPRO exercise ball is the perfect solution to add versatility to your exercise routine. This heavy-duty, professional-grade fitness tool features extra-thick PVC anti-burst construction. The DYNAPRO's premium material can hold over 2,000 pounds of weight. This exercise ball inflates easily with its included pump, so you can start your routine without hassle. Choose from a variety of size options and colors, and pair it with the DYNAPRO base and some resistance bands for even more versatility. The DYNAPRO exercise ball base is the perfect match for your exercise ball. It has multiple workout options while keeping the ball stable and in place. It's also perfect to use while sitting at your desk. This base is quality made, doubling the weight of most bases on the market, and features an anti-slip grip on the bottom to prevent floor scratching and slipping. This base is built to last and support you and your exercise for years to come.